Hi children, welcome to social science class. Last class we studied about Tughlaq dynasty and we studied about which are the important rulers of Tughlaq dynasty. Today we are going to study about Sayyid dynasty. The next dynasty ruled Delhi, that is Sayyid dynasty, or the next sultanate of next important rulers or next important dynasty ruled Delhi Sultanate, that is Sayyid dynasty. Sayyid dynasty started rule from 1414 to 1451. So the first ruler of Sayyid dynasty was Kisar Khan. Kisar Khan started his rule from 1414 to 1421. 1414 to 1421. That is a time or period of Kisar Khan. Sayyid dynasty was established by Kisar Khan. So who established Sayyid dynasty? Kisar Khan. Who is the founder of Sayyid dynasty? Kisar Khan. Kisar Khan established Sayyid dynasty. He was appointed by Timur. He was appointed by Timur to be the governor of Multan. He was appointed by the governor of Multan in Punjab. And who was appointed him? Timur appointed him as the governor of Multan in Punjab. And what happened? He took the control over Delhi on May 28th May 1414, he took the control over Delhi and he founded Sayyid dynasty. What about Kisar Khan? Kisar Khan, he was the founder of Sayyid dynasty. He was appointed as a governor of Multan by Timur. But what happened? He took the control over Delhi and he founded Sayyid dynasty. That is about Kisar Khan. After Kisar Khan, who became the ruler? Mubarak Shah Sayyid. Mubarak Shah Sayyid started his rule from 1421 to 1434. Kisar Khan succeeded by his son Mubarak Khan or Mubarak Shah Sayyid. So Kisar Khan was succeeded by his son Mubarak Shah Sayyid and started his rule from 1421. Mubarak Shah styled himself Muizzuddin Mubarak Shah in his coin. So he styled himself Muizzuddin Mubarak Shah in his coin, and he spent most of his time or his rule he spent in controlling the rebellions of nobles. Controlling the rebellions to the nobles, he spent most of his time or most of his rule in controlling the rebellions to nobles. And after him, Muhammad Shah Sayyid became the ruler of Sayyid dynasty. Muhammad Shah Sayyid became the ruler of Delhi in 1434 to 1445. So what about the period of Muhammad Shah Sayyid? Muhammad Shah Sayyid started his rule from 1434 to 1445. After the death of Mubarak Khan, his nephew Muhammad Khan ascended the throne. After the death of Mubarak Khan, his nephew Muhammad Khan ascended the throne and styled himself as Sultan Muhammad Shah. So that only about Muhammad Shah Sayyid. After Muhammad Shah Sayyid, Alauddin Alam Shah Sayyid, he became the ruler. Alauddin Alam Shah Sayyid started his rule from 1445 to 1451. So what about the time of Alauddin Alam Shah Sayyid? 1445 to 1451. Just before Muhammad Shah died, he called his son Alauddin from Bedouin, and he nominated his son as the next ruler, or he nominated him as his successor. But what happened? He abdicated the throne to Bahlul Khan Lodi. He abdicated the throne to Bahlul Khan Lodi in 1451 and left for Badon. He left to Badon. Then he continued to live there till his death. Till his death in 1478, he lived there. Okay, so that is about Alauddin Alam Shah Sayyid. So the founder of Sayyid dynasty, that is Kisar Khan. Who is the last ruler of Sayyid dynasty? Alauddin Alam Shah Sayyid. Alauddin Alam Shah Sayyid. So Alauddin Alam Shah Sayyid, after him who became the ruler? Bahlul Khan Lodi became the ruler and he founded Lodi dynasty. Next class we will study about Lodi dynasty. So today what we learned? We studied about Sayyid dynasty. The founder of Sayyid dynasty, Kisar Khan. Kisar Khan is the founder of Sayyid dynasty. Then we studied about 4 important rulers of Sayyid dynasty. First one Kisar Khan. Second one Mubarak Shah Sayyid. Mubarak Shah Sayyid. Muhammad Shah Sayyid. Alauddin Alam Shah Sayyid. So little bit tough is there to study the name, but you have to study Kisar Khan, Mubarak Shah, Muhammad Shah, Alauddin Alam Shah. Mubarak Shah, Muhammad Shah, Alauddin Alam Shah. In that way study Sayyid, you know this is Sayyid dynasty, so the name will be Sayyid. Okay, Kisar Khan only one another name. Kisar Khan, Mubarak Shah, Muhammad Shah, Alauddin Alam Shah, and add the name Sayyid. Okay, so these are the important rulers of Sayyid dynasty. Once again ma'am will tell you: Kisar Khan, Mubarak Shah Sayyid, Muhammad Shah Sayyid, Alauddin Alam Shah Sayyid. These are the important rulers of Sayyid dynasty. Okay, I think today's topic is clear to you. Next class we will study about Lodi dynasty. Today's topic, if you have any doubt, ask me. We will meet in the next class.